time to clear the air. Finally back home. I'm still at the nursing home at night so they can watch over me, but my wife checked me out today and brought me home. So I thought I'd do this little snippet to kind of start off my recap video. Okay. A lot of you been guessing. A lot of you thought I was dead. I feel like I've been dead for 2 months, but that's beside the point. So my vision's a little blurry. It looks like I can see you, but I can't. So I'm just baking it really well. So anyway, excuse me. So the way it all started, I'm sitting at the dining table and I am playing on my iPad and looking for my next recipe. And then right here, big pressure. And I'm thinking, oh, okay, maybe it's I don't know, an earache or a sinus pressure or something. And the pressure gets intense and then it fills up my ear and then goes up my head and down my neck. And I'm like, okay, this ain't allergies, this ain't sinuses, this is something more serious. So I called Jack Jr. I said, Jack Jr., I said, Jr., I need you to take me to the hospital. I think I'm having a stroke. I've never had one awake before. This is the first time ever. So I finally, not that it's some amazing feat, but I finally felt what a stroke felt like, and it was not fun. So he drove to my house about 100 miles an hour from his house and threw me in the car and got me to the ER, and and here I am. I barely remember. I have video clips to show you. I put together a video so that I documented as much as I could when I had an idea or a thought or wanted to show you what it was like on my side. But yeah, so Junior came and saved the day, and so I made it to the hospital and haven't been out since yet. Haven't been home full time. I now am allowed to be checked out, go to the movies. As you guys can see, I'm doing movie reviews again. Haven't done food reviews yet. Jack on the Go is coming back. So I guess this is the start of documenting my my rehab. So I'm at the hospital. I'm on level 3. It's a program, like an award-winning program here in Tennessee at Skyline Hospital. And they basically, it's like boot camp. They come in early, they wake you up, like they'll be in a few minutes. It's like 6:30 in the morning, but they'll wake me up, they'll feed me breakfast. Excuse me. So one of the signs of my stroke are hiccups. So it's going to be very hard to film. So we're going to work through that. You're going to hear hiccups the whole time I'm talking. So bear with me. This is day 2. It's weird because, they're going to come in, they're going to take care of me, and I'm an up and down guy at night. Like, I'll go to the bathroom like 2 or 3 times, and in this condition, I can't. So I have to rely on the nursing staff, which is very humbling. So anyway, these hiccups have been going on for 5 days straight. Okay, so these are just kind of my first world struggles. Okay, I'm back on the regular food. So I look at this and go, this is the best diabetic meal. I can have the sausage. I can have the eggs. I can't have the fruit. The muffin is the last thing I ate before blueberry muffin is literally the last thing I ate before I stroked out. Cheerios is just death for me. And the sugar in the milk, I just can't have. And my coffee, forget it. My wife has already laid claims to that. So I'm having eggs and sausage for breakfast. All right, guys, so basically they're assisting me in making movements in my foot that I haven't been making 4 years. So I'm supposed to be working with the electrical impulses. So as it allows me to bend my foot towards my face, I'm supposed to continue to help the connection back and forth 15 times, and then hopefully we'll wake up the movements that have never been working for 4 years to strengthen that area.
Reach forward, open hand.
Oh my
Close
God.
hand. Retract.
I haven't used that in,
That's awesome.
I haven't used that in 4 years.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. Ready? Let's give it another try.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to start with reaching forward.
Okay.
Reach forward.
Okay.
Close hand. Okay. Open hand. There you go.
Okay, guys. So I did this kind of like a puzzle. It's like it's a bunch of different images, and as you can see, I was supposed to select where all the bells were. So you can see the green belt on the bottom was the first one, but this shows how my eyes are working right now. Excuse me. And it shows how the pattern I went to find all the bells, it tracked the whole process, which is interesting. You can tell them how attentive I am, vertically, horizontal, everything. Shift.
Yep.
Step.
And step.
Okay, shift and step. Okay, shift onto that leg.
Yep.
And step. Shift and step.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's okay. Make sure you got both weight on both legs. It's okay. There we go.
Hey, come, what the frick? How many fat fingers do I need?
You're doing good. You're doing good.
You escaping me? There you go.
So keep this knee straight. No, you're good. Keep this knee straight. And try your best to have your hands off. And look and see your reflection too. If you see yourself leaning too much, try to fix it.
Safety's off up there.
Like strong, and you're going to step up. Good.
Step onto the step. Bring it back. Perfect. Now bring the right foot down. And now the left foot. How did that feel?